would have expected that you and I, our favorite provision under let's say Article 286, Clause 4, the one that talks about unexplained wealth.
Right.
Samson, that is the heart of the matter. That is the one we need to implement. Unexplained wealth. Somebody comes into office and then overnight he's building properties left, right, center. By the time he's leaving, he's amassed so much wealth. That is what we need to implement. That there will be a law to implement the 286 plus 4. That at the time you are leaving office, you appear before Shraj, okay, automatically, and explain all your wealth. And I'm saying that in our history, when the Jiage Commission sat, our history shows that people used to send evidence to the commission in the night. They go and push it under the doors. So the next morning, by the time the commissioners and staff came, they would find envelopes that contained evidence that Mr. X, upon becoming minister, built this house, bought this fresh car, Bugatti, Lamborghini, I mean, you name them. And so investigate. You remember that the last time CDD, the last time I read something about this corruption fight, they said at least 8 out of 10 Ghanaians are scared of reporting corruption and other malfeasances against public officers. Samson, let's pause a minute. Most of our population are scared of reporting. So the only method or a more viable way of fighting corruption is that have a standing committee, then the people can send evidence surreptitiously. You remember this case, Republic versus Apia. He was a special prosecutor even before Martin Amidu under the old law. That was how Apia, who was a special prosecutor himself, was charged, tried, and convicted. Somebody found his bank accounts in England and all that, and took it. They went and slipped it under the doors. They found it at the offices of the commission that was set up. So for me, just passing new laws really by itself, we don't do much. How do we make it easy for Ghanaians to come up and give evidence? One. And then two, that automatic appearance before a commission to explain your wealth. Let's make it automatic. That's what was done practically to Kwame Nkrumah's appointees, the Jiage Commission. Even apart from that, there was another commission where almost all the appointees, you see the volumes, everybody, they had to account for their properties.